What's up, guys? Welcome to another J Boy, the Black Filipino, with my co-host.
Tana, good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. Magandang umaga, magandang gabi, magandang hapon. Thank you for joining us as usual. We really appreciate you spending time with us. And I am so happy my wife is back. She's back. Boo, how did it feel traveling to the Philippines without me this time?
Oh yeah, so it's a bit scary because I need to carry all my luggages and everything. So I need to taking care of my own self because if you are with me, you're taking care for me. But anyway, I'm be thankful because you know why? I got trip for our business trip and I accomplished everything what I need to do and I'll be happy to back here with you.
Can you say that a little shorter for all of our, I don't know, we got viewers in Philippines. Maybe they don't speak English. Can you like mix it in Tagalog? My Tagalog is not good enough to do that yet, guys.
Yeah, so guys, umuwi po ako para sa aming business. So, hindi ko siya kasama. So, ako lang po mag-isa. So, it's a little scary. Kasi nga, di ba, minsan, pag ikaw lang mag-isa, kailangan mong ingatan lahat yung mga gamit mo. Minsan, hindi mo alam yung sa gilid mo, yung, di ba, lahat ng mga ganon. Pero, masaya ako dahil natapos ko rin yung lahat ng dapat kong gawin doon sa Pilipinas bago ako bumalik dito.
So I seen one of the videos you sent me. We're gonna share it with you guys. We're gonna show you about the cornfield. You said,
Yeah,
about the
I love farming.
farming.
I love that.
And upstairs, we
guys.
had the guys put in the windows. So we're gonna show you how the windows are being put in, and we had a sliding door done. So sit tight. Get ready for the video. And don't forget to smash that like button, tell a friend, and enjoy our videos. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel with Sandara May. This is our view here in our retirement home in the Philippines. We're going to, that is a lot of moringa over here. See, it's big. That is our house. So we go to the cornfield. Yeah, we are, see, it's my mom's plant. It's okra. No more, it's dying. This is saluyot. What is the English of this, Mimi? Saluyot?
Lipat din ako.
I don't know.
I forgot already.
This is kadius. My mom planted so many fruits. Too much fruits. This is good for the pork. Lauya, right, me? So many. A lot. So we're going here in our cornfield. Guys. Wow, look at this. So much. Wow. A lot of kamote tops. I need to borrow the binangon here. We need to borrow a binangon. We need to cut a banana. Banana. Parang ko binangon na, hindi nito mong kanay, lampit. Nabala kami ito kwan. Saging. Saging ha? Saging. Ako. Saging ha? Saging. Saging pungo. Mimi. Mabulo. Hi guys, agak binangon here. May ano ra, may gurang. I know how to use binangon. Sagur. Ha?
Duro pala.
Wala?
Hmm.
Wala lang. Ano? Si Draga rin. Sa among vlog. Maabto kami sa amon cornfield. Look at that, the nice view here in the mountain. That is a view here in our place, guys. So we got so many dogs. Dogs. Ala. Look at that. So many avocado. Mimi, my test.
Di ka magi na dyan ka magi?
Magtulak dyan, pwede maagi agad, nakpanding dyan. Na ano tawag dyan, na harbisan ba nakito mo yan? Ginagiyan da. Look at that, it's already ready to harvest. This is our cornfield here. Careful yung ang kahit mo, bakit matangka. Then, look at this, it's big. A lot of cornfield. It's already dry. It's ready to harvest, guys. It's like this, it's ready to harvest. We got here in the cornfield.
Kasi may tanam dyan na yung tapan na.
Unti yan ba? Din pagtulang ka ba na? Over here. Our cornfield there. We need to roaming around in our cornfield, guys. This here is the season of corn because it's summertime. So corn can be in the summer because even little water they can survive. Look at that. The brook. You can pass over here, Going there. Hi guys. A big cornfield over here. I want to go.
Ano?
I'll get it. I'm the one.
Ako lang.
Ah,
Ano namin
okay.
tirakan? Ikaw na.
Over here, our cornfield is quite wide. Look at that. Where are itchy. It's still here. It's a very wide cornfield over here, guys. I think here, this side. Yeah. It's the cornfield. Some is big, some is small, but this is big. Here. Look at that, the view. Wow, a very nice view in our place. All the view here is all mountain. surrounded. Look, it's a nice view. Green, green, green. Sunset. Wow, that's good. Look at that. See? Very big. It's ready already, yeah? It's dry. So it can be harvested already. If like this, it's ready to harvest. Dry. Wow. Wala o bunganga. So guys, look at that, the view here in that side. Somebody burned the mountain. And this is the end of our cornfield. Over there is far away, but you know. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to smash bottom and like it and follow us guys. And thank you so much in advance. Bye.